car making a loud noise, our technicians can diagnose any clank or groan or...
Moan?
He doesn't mean moan.
I mean moan. Cars moan. You drive it, it's like,
Please stop.
Then you hit rumble strips and it's like,
Please stop.
Does your car offer alignments? No exceptions.
Jesus Christ.
I'll be wiping it off with my hands. A rag. I'll throw it on your belly. I'll say, clean yourself up,
A
pig.
pattern on the tire chain. Okay, okay. Cheer up. That was in my solar plexus. We'll just wrap up then. We just get the last thing. More money we can get. Sheen.
You guys have that? Can I get that footage?
Absolutely not. Don't trust anyone with your car but Valley Forge Auto.
I know
I wouldn't.